Let's draw a Spinosaurus. Get your drawing and coloring tools ready. First, draw the long head. Now add the neck. Draw an oval for the body. Erase part of the headline inside the neck. And erase the body line inside the neck. Add a pointy eye ridge. Erase the headline inside the eye ridge. Make sure to redraw any lines you did not mean to erase. Draw a bent arm. Draw a bent leg. Erase the body line inside the arm. Erase the body line inside the leg. Now add a clawed hand. Draw a foot. Notice that the foot bends at the toes. Draw another bent arm. Add the clawed hand. Draw the other leg. This one only shows the bottom half. Draw the foot. This foot shows only 2 toes and is more bent than the other foot. Now let's draw the face. Draw a circle for the eye under the eye ridge. Add the iris. Draw a little circle in the iris for a highlight. Leave the highlight white when you color. Draw a nostril. Draw the long mouth. Add 2 sharp teeth. Draw claw lines on the toes. Add toe lines in the feet. Now draw the tail. Erase the body line inside the tail. It's time to draw the spine. Add bony lines in the spine. Now let's add a scene for the Spinosaurus. Start with a tree. Draw some leaves in the front. Draw the tree trunk. Add a branch. The trunk and branch are behind the front leaves. Add some leaves behind the trunk and branch. Draw lines in the trunk and branch for the rough bark. Draw some big leafy plants. Add a line for the ground. Draw some mountains in the distance. Add some wispy clouds. Subscribe to see more awesome drawings. This step-by-step drawing is from Rockin' Dinosaurs Drawing Book and comes with starter drawings that make drawing super easy and fun.